Hi, I'm Alexander Max Kaplan. I'm the founder and CEO of Linguado, and we raised $1 million. For me to be able to communicate and cry and high five and shake hands virtually with other entrepreneurs and founders around the world, I think is a very special thing. To a lot of degrees, it was reassuring and comforting to know that we were in a very good place. I actually got a lot out of the mastermind sessions because I think that I was able to benefit from that community experience the most, talking to 6 to 10 other founders in a community type setting was a monthly experience that I often look forward to. Having the resources that the accelerator has, at least for me, was incredibly valuable. I mean, my costs are expensive. These third-party company costs, these charges, they keep me up at night. And to be able to get those discounts with NewChip, that was incredibly valuable to my company. There's probably some new hires I need to make now, people I need to add to the team. But one thing that I've realized, and I think that NewChip helped me with this realization, is that the people that are going to get us to the finish line are the ones that created it.